Welcome to Student Info. Today's our topic is about developing an application for restaurants that there is many restaurants in our areas and some of the restaurants is varies from restaurant to restaurants. The food item is varies from restaurant to restaurant and prices also varies from restaurant to restaurants. So here our application and our motive is to build an application using Python programming that customer can view the menu card of different restaurants and can select the food item that needed for the person person or customer, though he orders, and it includes the prices and delivery charges is varies from restaurant to restaurant then and based on locations. So we are implementing the Python application for restaurant application. Before going to this application implementation, we choose to overview of this. Okay, I am going to command prompt and executing my Python implementation code. Python space file name dot py. You can see that choose the restaurant A, restaurant B. You can name it any restaurant that you like. I am naming ABC, restaurant A, restaurant B, restaurant C. Okay, enter the restaurant number you want. I need to restaurant 2. I need to order my food from restaurant B, so I entered 2. Then I enter, choose the food item. So I choose as cookies. These all are food items and these are prices of those food item. So when I entered item 1, that cookies, when entered, it displays the what the item that you have selected. In this case I have selected the cookies equal to 160. This 160 is the price of the cookie. So how many quantity I need 2 cookies. Then enter the cookies, the required quantity. The quantity that I am selected is 2. Okay. The final price for the item is 370. That includes the delivery charges. With including delivery charges, the total price is 370. Please enter the location where I need to bring this. Example, I am entering Tirupati. Tirupati, then enter. Then you will see the your order will be delivered to Tirupati at a location which you have set before entering to the location. Your delivery charges 50 is added while ordering the item. Okay. So please confirm order. If I enter 1, your order confirmed. Thank you. For plus orders, you can should be a prime number. This is the output of my implementation code. Now we go to the implementation part. Here I have used 3 classes named restaurant A, restaurant B and restaurant C. By using the OOPS concepts in Python, we are developing this application. Comes to first class A, class food. It is a parent class for class. uh, class food is a parent class for restaurant A, restaurant B and restaurant C. Okay. Now in restaurant, in food item, we are imported ABC, that stands for abstraction base class, which is imported from uh, ABC class abstract methods. We need to, whenever we are implementing the abstract class, Abstraction means nothing but hiding the data and showing the functionality. In our case, yeah, abstraction class means a class which contains all abstraction methods is known as abstraction class. And comes to abstraction method in Python can be declared as a decorator, which is denoted by at the rate symbol in Python. Syntax is for decorator. The predefined method in Python is abstract method. By declaring this, we can say that it is a abstract method which does not have any body. In our case here, body we pass is stands for um, without occurring any errors. So we put simply pass. By using those methods, we are overriding our methods in different restaurants methods. The same methods is used, the three methods named def, def menu, def delivery, def offers. It is varies from restaurant to restaurant. So those methods are overridden in different classes like restaurant A, restaurant B, and restaurant C. And whenever comes to restaurant A, here we are overriding the first initialization method, which is used for initializing the variables, and init method. It is also known as render methods, which automatically Python interpreter calls the objects. So the first argument should be self. We are taking the instant variables, the variables that are declared inside the init method known as instant variables. Though I initialize it with 0 0 and delivery charges is 50. Okay. Whenever comes to restaurant A, in restaurant A, they may be the delivery charges, or they may be delivery charges is free or varies from restaurant to restaurant. Though in our case in restaurant A there is no delivery charges. So first we have to override the first method, that def init method is overridden. We no need to write all the instant variables in the init method. So we whenever we want to call a parent class method by parent class method while staying in the child class, we use super keyword for calling the method, followed by super keyword, followed by name of the method that you want to call. In this case I need to call init method, so I place init method. And comes to net method, I overrided. See here, def menu, I overrided def menu. This is the overall the code for def menu. You'll see, first I need to print, choose the item, and I displayed the menu, veggie biryani, roti, pizza, like that food items that you want to display for this restaurant particularly. And I used self dot choice, which is in def dot initialization method. By overriding all the properties, by using this inheritance concept, we are overridden all the methods and variables to the child class. So we are accessing this self dot choice. Whenever you remove the self, it says choice is not accessed. So we need to compulsory place the self dot choice to reduce those errors. Whenever user enters a one the veg biryani, print the details regarding to that that food item is displayed, or it implemented in if condition. Then if choice is equal to 2, then the other food item, the same implementation is required, and the food item is changed. And food item is changed here. The for example, in our case roti cost is 200, so we need to add 200 here into self dot quantity, how much quantity the user is wanted or needed. If the user needed only one quantity, 200 into 1 200. 200, if the user want to two rotis, then 200 into 2, 400. That is packet of rotis. Pizza like that. If choice is equal to 3, the pizza implementation code executes. If choice is equal to 4, the fourth item, food item that placed is executed. Like that, fifth. If user enters out of the boundary of 5 range, then it displays please enter valid input for given menu. And comes to def delivery, in our case in restaurant A, there is no delivery charges or no delivery fees is collecting. So please enter your location for delivery. Then user will enter her he or her delivery address. Then it will be F means format specifiers, that is used to display the numbers in between the text that you displayed to the user. Self dot location, this variable is accessed only within the class because we are inherited the properties from parent class. So we can access self dot location when we enter the when a user enters the location, it stores in the self dot location and we are returning into the self dot location. Then please confirm delivery. We need to confirm delivery, yes or no. Yes, I am. If user enters the yes means one, your order confirmed and thank you. If he enter the choice to explore more, means go to list and explore more for items, food items that you needed to place. Then def offers means if any user are looking for the offers, it should be a premium number for that restaurant to get all the offers according to food items in the restaurant. Next, we are declaring the class restaurant B with other name. In this restaurant, the delivery charges may include 50 rupees, and it it menu has been changed that it applies cookies, pancakes like that. In this class also we are inheriting in this class also we are overriding the init method. In every class we need to in initialize the we need to override the initialization method. If you not override those method, you will come with the errors. So, like that, what we are implementing in the restaurant A is the same applicable for restaurant B, but here we are adding 50 rupees delivery charge to the final total price, final price of the food item that he brought in. You can implement in different ways, and you can implement your ideas on different ways by using these concepts. I included that 50 rupees charges. You may include what is the app. If the customer is a premium number, then his delivery charge must be reduced to 0. That may be implemented as per your requirement. The same implementation goes on for restaurant B. Here is same, but the food items changed, but the delivery charge has been reduced to 30. Same delivery charges, location. These are user enters location, confirming yes or no. If you can't comes, thank you for order. Your order confirmation that will be displayed. And comes to this main method in Java, the main method is used for the first the execution of the program starts from the main function in Java, and comes to Python. There is no main function. We can include our main function as per requirement. That is up to you. I included the main function. In main function I had created the object for three classes that named restaurant A, restaurant B and restaurant C, and I printed choose the option choose the restaurant that you needed. Then user will chooses if user press 1, then the methods which is included in the char equal to 1, those methods will be executed accordingly. If the user enters 2, the object 1 means restaurant 2 methods will be executed. If the user enters 3, the object 2 methods will be executed according to the requirement user enters. It depends upon the user input, else it is a invalid. If dunder name equal to main, it is useful for the code is executing in script mode or file imported mode. That checks by our Python interpreter, then comes to here. Here we say that we are calling the main function. So first programmer controller must come here, and it sees, oh, main function is called, so then it goes to the main function and executes those methods accordingly, then this code is be executed. So this is the code, full Python code that implement the restaurant. You can implement in different ways and different approaches by using those oops concepts. We can see again output and input, how it will work. Python main dot py, choose the restaurant. Now we will choose 3. Then you choose the food item. Salad, I choose salad. I need 2 packets. With including delivery charges is 30, and including the food item is 200 plus the 230. And we have to confirm our location. 30. After entering our location, it will say it will deliver to the location that you entered. You have to confirm the delivery order. If yes, yes, no means no. If I yes, thank you. Your order is placed and will be delivered. This is the Python implementation for restaurant application. Thank you.